Hello everyone, this is Success Infotech. Welcome to my channel. Creating a custom keyboard shortcut can really enhance your productivity by allowing you to quickly access frequently used functions and applications. So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to create a custom keyboard shortcut on Windows and then the Linux operating system. In my case, I'm going to use the Kali Linux. But if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, to like the video, to share for others to watch, and please click on the notification icon so that anytime we drop a video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. Without wasting much time, let's get straight to the video. The Windows operating system. To create a keyboard shortcut for your frequently used applications in Windows, you first have to create a shortcut for that particular application. In my case, I've already created the shortcuts for the application I want to use for this tutorial. So I'll be using the Photoshop. So I'll right click on the shortcut and then I'll click on properties. So now we have the property windows for the Photoshop. So I'll go to the shortcut which is already selected. Then I'll come to shortcut key. So this is where we are going to set our shortcuts for the application we frequently use, okay? The keyboard shortcut. So since the Photoshop starts with P, the shortcut I want to use is Control Alt P. So this is my shortcut, okay, for the Photoshop. Then I'll click on Apply. Then I'll click on Continue to provide administrator permissions. Then I'll click on OK. So now I've created the shortcut for the Photoshop, okay? Sorry, the keyboard shortcut. So I'll quickly bring the on-screen keyboard and then we demonstrate what we just did. Okay, so let me use my shortcuts and then we see what happens. Control Alt P. So now you see we've launched the Photoshop with the keyboard shortcut we just created. So I want you to also create your own keyboard shortcut and leave a comment at the comment section below. Now we move straight to the Linux operating system. But in this case, I'm going to use the Kali Linux. Okay, so please stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom keyboard shortcuts for your frequently used applications in Linux. But in my case, I'm going to use the Kali Linux. Okay, I've already opened it in my VM, so I'll open my VM down below. Then I'll click on Kali Linux. So this is the interface for the Kali Linux. Okay, this is the interface. This is how the interface looks like. So to create a custom keyboard shortcut for your applications, you click on Show Applications, and then you come to Settings. Okay, so this is the settings windows. It's already on my keyboard. The keyboard is already selected. If yours is not selected, you scroll down and then you select the keyboard. And then you scroll down again and then you select, then you click on View and Customize Shortcut under Keyboard Shortcuts. Okay, so you scroll down again and then you click Custom Shortcuts. So this is where we are going to do our magic, okay, where we are going to set our keys combination for our application. So I'll click on Add Shortcut. So here you type the name of the shortcut, like application you want to use for your shortcuts. So in my case, I'm going to use ARC. It's an application in Linux, okay? The command to type ARC. And then I'll set the shortcuts here. So the key combinations I want to use. So I want to use Control Alt A. I use Control Alt A because the ARC starts with A. And I will click on Add. Now the shortcut has been set, okay? Control Alt A. That's the keyboard shortcut for my ARC application. So I'll close this. I'll close this. Then we try what we just did. So Control Alt A. Let's see what happens. Now we have our ARC application open. Let's create one more, and then so you click on Show Applications. Then you come to Settings. You click on Settings. Okay, so you scroll down and then you click on View and Customize Shortcuts under Shortcuts. Okay, and then you scroll down again and then you click on Custom Shortcuts. So let's add one more. Okay, so I'm going to add via Shark at the command, so I'll type via Shark. Then I'll set shortcuts. So I'm going to use my keys combination. So Control Alt W. Since the Wireshark starts with W, that is the reason why I'm using W as my shortcut. Then I'll click on Add. Okay, you can also come to this place to remove your shortcut you've created. Sorry, if you want to remove the shortcut, then you close this, you close this, and then let's try what we just did. So Control Alt W. Now the Wireshark is opened. Okay, so this is a tip for creating effective keyboard shortcuts. You have to use consistent modifiers. So the common modifiers we use are Control, Alt, and Shift. You can use this as your command or your keyboard shortcuts. And you have to avoid conflict. Okay, so you have to ensure your custom shortcuts don't conflict with existing system or application shortcuts. Okay, and the other tip is you have to keep it simple. So you have to create a shortcut that are easy to remember and execute. And after you've done that, you can document your shortcuts. So you have to keep a list of your shortcuts for easy reference until they become second hand, okay, second nature. So this is the very quick tip you have to use when you are creating your keyboard shortcut for your frequently used applications. So those using the Red Hat, Ubuntu, and SUSE, you can also try this. I think the process is the same. You can also try this and leave your comment at the comment section below. But please do also subscribe to my channel, click on the like button, and click on the bell notification icon so that anytime we drop a video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. Thank you for visiting my channel.